There is one more brilliant idea that I have for you today. I'm going to actually show you how to do it. I don't know if you are able to relate it with it right now or not, but I really want you to do it. Whatever the way works for you the best, please try to do it, as our final aim is to solve simply. And today's topic is on regressions. So here there are two important questions here which are going to be solved in this video. The first one is, the following table shows the respective heights x and y of the sample of the fathers and their oldest sons. Find the regression line of x on y. Here we have to find the regression line of x on y, and the heights of the father as well as the oldest sons are given. So here if you observe this one, the height of the father, so these are all the x series are given, and next one the height y of the sons, so these are all the y series given. So now we have to find the regression line. So I am going to write the formula in a simple way and I am going to solve. Please do watch till the end. See here all the values, the x values and the values. So we tabulate the given values in the following table here. These are all the x series and these are all the y series. First of all, we have to add up all these. So here the addition is 800 for x series and 811 for the y series. See here the number of observations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here n value is equal to 12. And now we have to find the mean value. So the mean x bar is equal to, this is a sigma x by n. So what is sigma x here? The total x series is 800. So this is 800 by 12. So the value here will be, this is 800 divided by 12. So this is around 66.67. So this is x bar value. And now see here, coming to the y bar. So y bar is equal to, so y bar is equal to, this is a sigma y by n. So what is sigma y here? This is 811 by 12. So here this is 811 divided by 12. The value here is 67.5. 67.5. So this is y bar value and this is x bar value. So we got both the values ready here. As this is a fraction, as this is not a whole number, so we have to choose the another formula for the regression line of x on y. So there are actually two formulas. If it is a whole number, we have to take one formula. If it is a fraction, if it is not a whole number, we have to take the formula of another kind. So I have explained you in my previous video, and in my last video I am going to post all the formulas related to regressions, and please do follow that, then that chapter will be very easy for you to solve. So these are all, both are the fractions. So we have to take the assumed mean. So we have to assume the nearest mean here, that is x bar. I am taking 66 as an assumed mean here, that is x minus 66. So dx will be, so we have to take 66 from every value of the x series. That is the 65 minus 66 is minus 1, 33 minus 66 is minus 3, 67 minus 66 is 1, 64 minus 66 is minus 2, 68 minus 66 is 2, and 62 minus 66 is minus 4, and 70 minus 66 is minus 4. Like that we have to fill this column, and this will be dx, sigma dx value. And next one dy. So here it is a 67.5 and we have to assume a mean here. So the nearest value here is 68. Now I am going to take 68 from each and value of y. 68 minus 68 is 0. 66 minus 68 is minus 2. Again 68 minus 68 is 0, and 65 minus 68 is minus 3. 69 minus 68 is 1, and 66 minus 68 is minus 2, and so on. We have to fill this column like this, and this will be dy. So sigma dx is 8 and sigma dy is 8. And now we have to make the squares out of this. So dx square minus 1 square minus 3 square 1 square minus 2 square 2 square. I have to fill this column, and sigma and dy square here. So 0 square minus 2 square 0 square, and next one this is minus 3 square 1 square minus 2 square. So we have to fill dy square column, and the next one is dx dy. So this is dx and this value is dy. So here we have to multiply these two, and this will be dx dy. Minus 1 into 0 is 0, minus 3 into minus 2 is 6, 1 into 0 is 0, and minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, 2 into 1 is 2, and minus 4 into minus 2 is 8, and like that we have to fill this column. So this is dx dy. So this is sigma dx squared, sigma dy squared, sigma dx, sigma dy. This is sigma x, sigma y. So here we got each and every value ready here. Now as it is a fraction, it is not a whole number. We have to find out the regression line. So for that, see here, I am solving for you. So this is a sigma x is equal to 800 by 12, that is 66.66, and so y bar is equal to sigma y by n. So this is a 67.58, this is 66.66. So sigma x is 8. See from the table, sigma x is 8, sigma y is minus 8, sigma x square value is 90, sigma y square value is equal to 40, and sigma dx dy value is equal to 37. So as it is a fraction which is not a whole number, the formula here will be, see here, this is, we have to start with x, that is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into, we have to end up with y. So we have to end up with y. This will be y minus y bar. And what is this bxy? See here, bxy will be, so bxy will be, this is a sigma dx dy, the product, minus, individually we have to multiply sigma dx into sigma dy by n whole divided by, as it is x on y. So in the denominator we are going to write sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square by n. So this will be bxy. So we have to substitute here. Now I am going to write all the values here. So bxy value is equal to, what is sigma dx dy? Sigma dx dy value is equal to 37 here. So this is 37 minus sigma dx. What is sigma dx? This is 8 and sigma dy value is minus 8. So this value is 8 and minus 8 by n value is equal to 12 by sigma dy square value is equal to 40 here. This is 40 minus sigma dy whole square. Sigma dy whole square means minus 8 whole square by n value is equal to 12. Now we are going to solve this. So this will be 37 plus, this is minus into minus plus. So this is nothing but 8 8s are 64 divided by 12. The value here is 5.33. So this value is equal to 5.33 divided by. So this is nothing but, this is 40 minus, this is a 64 by 12. So see here, this is a 64 divided by 12 again. That is 5.33. As you can see, this is 37 plus, this is 5.33. The value here is 42.33 divided by, this is 40 minus, this is 5.33. The value here is 34.67. So here the value will be, see here, this is 42.33 divided by, this is 34.67. The value here is 1.2209. So here the value which we got is 1.2209. So here if I substitute in this bxy, we got as, see here, the bxy value we got as 1.2209. So here if I substitute what is x bar and y bar, so this is x minus x bar, the regression line of x on y is equal to, this is bxy into, this is y minus y bar. So if I substitute all the values here, then this will be, what is x bar here? X bar, as we already found that x bar is equal to sigma x by n, that is 66.66. So this is x minus, this is a 66.66 is equal to, what is bxy? This is 1.2209. This is y minus, what is y bar here? So y bar is already done here. This is 67.58. This is a 67.58. So this is the regression line. If you can still multiply, this is x minus a 66.66 is equal to, if I multiply, this is 1.2209 y minus. So if I multiply both, this will be, so see here, this is 1.2209 into, this is a 67.58. The value here is 82.50. This is 82 point, this value is 50. So if I send this to other side, this will be x is equal to, this is 1.2209y minus, this is 82.50 plus, this is a 66.66. So x value is equal to 1.2209y, and say this will be minus 82.50 plus this is a 66 point, this is a 66. The value here is minus 15 point, so this is minus 15.84. The value here is minus 15.84, and this is the required line. So this is the regression line of x on y. So this is how we have to solve using the table. So all the values are ready here. So after getting all the values, and this will be the formula here. This is x minus x bar, bxy into y minus y bar, and this is the formula for bxy. And after solving, bxy value is this one, and we have to substitute here. X bar and y bar are already ready for us, and therefore this is the line. See here, this is most important, as you can solve very simply using the table, and table is also very easy. X series, y series, dx. After subtracting from assumed mean, dx dy, and dx square dy square, and dx dy. So this is how we have to solve, and the next problem is also ready for you. And the next problem is, see here, this is also very important. For a set of the values of x and y, the two regression lines are 31x minus 37y plus 5 is equal to 0, and 50x minus 36y minus 612 is equal to 0. Identify the regression line of y on x and x on y. So we have to find out the regression line of x on y and y on x, and we have to find out the value of x bar, y bar, and r. So this is so easy. So these two are the simple equations, and we have to solve. See here, the set of, for the set of the values x and y, the two regression lines are this one. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And now we have to identify the regression lines of y on x and x on y. And we have to calculate the values of x bar, y bar, and r. So these two are the regression lines. Now we have to solve these. So in order to solve these, the x quotient here is 31 and here the x quotient is 50. Now in order to get the value of y bar, so I am going to multiply this equation with 50 and this equation with 31. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And let's get started to find out this one. So 50 into, so this is 50 into 31. The value here is, so it's not plus, that is 50 into 31. The value here is 1500. So this is 1550x minus, so this is 50 into 37. The value here is 1850. So this is 1850, 1850y. And the next one here is 50 into 5. So this is 50 into 5. This is 250 is equal to 0. And the next one is 31 into 50. Again 31 into 50 is nothing but 1550x minus 36 into, see here, this is 36 into 31. The value here is 1116y, and the next one here is 31 into, so this is 31 into, this is a 612. The value here is, this is this minus or plus minus? This is minus 18972 is equal to 0. Clear? And now we are going to subtract this one. So from both the equations, if I subtract this s, so this will be minus, this will be plus, and this will be plus. So I can simply cancel these two, and here the value here will be, this is 6 minus 1850. The value here is minus 734. So this will be minus 734y, and this value is, if I add this one, this will be 19222. Now I need the value of y here. This is a 734y is equal to, this is 19,222, and this is y bar. So y bar is equal to 19222 by, this is a 734. And see here the y bar value will be, see here, this is 19,222 divided by, this is a 734. The value here is around 26.188. So this is actually our mean value, that is y bar for the y series. And next we have to substitute the y value in equation 1 so that we'll be getting the x value. So what is equation 1 here? Equation 1 is nothing but 31x minus 37y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I am going to substitute the y value. Y value here, if I substitute the y value here, that is 31x minus 37 into, that is 26.188 plus 5 is equal to 0. And this will be 31x value will be, this is 37 into, this is 26.188 minus 5. See here, this will be 37 into, this is 26.188 minus 5. See here, this is 31x is equal to, this is 963.956. Now our x value will be, we have to divide with 31. So if I divide with 31, what will be the answer? That is 31.095. So this is our x bar. So we got x bar value and y bar value ready here. So this is x bar and y bar. And now next what we have to find out. So after getting x bar and y bar, now we have to identify the regression line of y on x and x on y. So let's start doing x on y, regression lines of x on y and y on x. So this is the first equation. The first equation is very clear as 31x is equal to, see here, this is 31x minus 37y plus 5 is equal to 0. From this, what is our x value? So 31x value. So 31x value is equal to 37y minus 5. So x is equal to, this is 37 by 31 y minus 5 by 31. Clear? So this is our first equation, that is regression line of x on y. And the next equation here is, the second equation here is, see here, what is the second equation? That is 50x. So this value is equal to 50x minus 36y minus 612 is equal to 0. Now I am going to take y value here, that is 36y is equal to, this is 50x minus 612, and y is equal to, this is 50 by 36, x minus 612 by 36. Clear? So this is the regression line of y on x. So these two are the regression lines of x on y and y on x. From, see here, from, as you can assume this one as one equation and this is second equation. From 1 and 2, clearly x on y means, see here, r into, this is a sigma x by sigma y value here is 37 by 31. Clear? And next one here, r into y on x, sigma x by sigma y value is equal to 50 by 36. Clear? From equation 1 here, 1 is this one, that is 37 by 31. And here r into sigma y by sigma x value is equal to 50 by 36. Now if I multiply both, if I multiply these two, that is r times of sigma x by sigma y into r times of, this is sigma y by sigma x is equal to, if I multiply, this will be 37 by 31 into, this is 50 by 36. Now if I cancel these two, then what happens? R value is equal to, so if I multiply these two, this will be 1850 by, this is 1116. So here r square value is equal to 1.6577. So r is equal to, this is root over 1.6577, and r value is equal to 1.2875. So this is the correlation quotient r. So here, this is what it is asked in the question here. So obtain the value of x bar, y bar and r. So first two equations are given here. So in order to get the y value, so I have to eliminate this x value, so that I am multiplying the first equation with 50 and the second equation with 31. So after getting the y bar value, now I have substituted the y value in equation 1, so that I got x bar value. So from this I got x bar value and y bar value. So I need r value. So for getting the r value from equation 1, we have to take x bar, and from second equation I have taken y bar here. So on comparing, this will be sigma xy. So this value is nothing but sigma xy. So this is nothing but r times of, this is a sigma x by sigma y, and this is also sigma yx, and which is nothing but r times of sigma y by sigma x. So if I multiply these two, then after cancelling everything, we got r value. R square is this one and r value is 1.2875. So this is the procedure and this is the process in order to get x bar, y bar and r. Hope you all guys understand. If you really understand this one, the problem is so simple. Definitely you can score more, as this is repeatedly asked a question. So as this is important, I have taught you how to solve it, and it's your turn to practice. And please pass it on to as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help needed to this channel in my next video. So as this is the last topic, I'm going to post all the formulas for you. It will be very easy for you if you recollect all the formulas, and if you have all the formulas ready, you can solve easily. Thank you so much watching, and thank you so much for connecting to this channel, and please spread the knowledge and please subscribe before you learn. Thank you.